In today's video, I'm going to teach you a guide how to connect Zapier to Base44. By the end, you'll have a secure connection set up so you can automate tasks between Base44 and your favorite apps with confidence. Start by opening the Base44 web app and signing in. Once you're in, head to Account Settings. This is where you manage your workspace details and, most importantly for today, where you'll find your API key. Look for a section labeled API or Integrations. When you see your Base44 API key, copy it to your clipboard. Treat this key like a password. Don't share it publicly and keep it somewhere secure. Leave this browser tab open for a moment. You'll use the key in Zapier right away. Now switch over to the Zapier dashboard. From the main menu, go to App Connections. This page is the control center for all the services linked to your Zapier account. Click Add Connection to begin linking a new app. In the search bar, type Base44, then select Base44 from the results to open the connection flow. Click Add Connection again when prompted. A window will appear asking for your Base44 API key. Paste the key you copied earlier exactly as it appears. Watch out for any extra spaces at the beginning or end. When you're ready, choose Yes, Continue to Base444. Zapier will securely validate the key with Base44. This usually takes just a moment. Once validation is complete, you'll be taken back to the App Connections page, where you should now see Base44 listed as connected. That status confirms that Zapier can communicate with your Base44 workspace using the permissions attached to that key. If the connection doesn't appear immediately, try refreshing the page. If the key is rejected, double check that you copied the full key, that it's active in your Base44 settings, and that there aren't any stray characters. For good security hygiene, consider storing the key in a reputable password manager and clearing it from your clipboard when you're finished. With the connection in place, you're ready to use Base44 as a trigger or an action inside Zapier. This opens the door to building reliable automations, like creating records, updating data, or reacting to events without manual effort. If you work across multiple environments or teams, give the connection a clear name in Zapier so you can easily tell them apart later. And that's it. Your Zapier and Base44 connection is successfully set up. That is all. Thank you for watching, and see you guys in the next one.